Namaskar and welcome to this episode of Celeb Watch.
Long ago, Tamil actor Surya was seen in Rakta Charitra 2 in 2010 by Ram Gopal Verma. This gangster film marked Surya's debut in both Hindi and Telugu cinema. It was a bilingual film, partly reshot in Tamil as Rakta Charitram. Surya recently appeared in a mid-credits cameo in the Hindi film Sarfira, which is the Hindi remake of his Tamil hit Surarai Potru. He also co-produced this film. But now his next release in Hindi is the dubbed version of the film Retro, the action thriller film written and directed by Karthik Subbaraj. The film features Surya and Pooja Hegde in lead roles.
Retro is going back in time. தமிழில் வந்து பின்னோக்கி பார்த்தல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. All the lovely memories maybe which you want to hold on to, cherish in life, and where you actually you're trying to figure out life, what's going to happen, which path to be taken, what to do. I think I'll go back to my college days, which will always be evergreen for all of us. With so many thoughts, so many friends, so many paths taken, and what to do in life. You are actually starting from zero. I think those days, without much responsibility, you really cherish all those memories.
Surya kept interspersing his lines in Tamil, getting the audience go wild as he spoke about his school and college days and thanked the audience to come for the event.
I learnt a lot after school and college. I really learnt a lot about the world, and maybe that gave me that energy, that push. Like, okay, I've done my commerce, loyal BCom panna. After BCom, I don't have, I'm not a part of a board of directors, or I'm not going to sit on a cash register. I don't know what to do next. So I have to start from scratch. அந்த வார்த்தை கேட்டிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So who's going to give me that 100 rupees? And life began from there. I think those are very, very strong, fresh memories, and you took all those risks. And today, God has been kind. And யார் சாமி நீங்கெல்லாம்? என்ன அன்பு இது? என்ன அன்பது அடிக்கடி நம்ம பார்த்துக்கிறது இல்லை. நிறைய வாட்டி நான் உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தது இல்லை. நிறைய பேரை தான் முதல் வாட்டி பார்க்குறேன்.
Retro is described as a romantic action film. The storyline revolves around a former gangster played by Surya who attempts to leave his violent past behind to start a peaceful life with his wife. However, his past catches up with him, leading to conflict. The film's tagline is love, laughter and war, suggesting a blend of romance, comedy and intense action directed by Orkon, Karthik Subbaraj.
Called Love, Laughter and War. The core of the film starts with love, but there is also like enough action and also an emotional quotient to the film. And I'm so far I have not revealed much of what the storyline is about, because we as a team want to give a wholesome experience when you're watching it in theater, and I hope they will all like it.
Jayanti Lal Gada ने इस फिल्म का हिंदी वर्जन रिलीज किया है as the presenter, and he said that Surya's presence on satellite and digital was as good as the Bollywood stars.
पहली बात तो मुझे इस फिल्म के लिए जो अट्रैक्शन था, मुझे थैंक यू सूर्या जी को हमको एसोसिएट किए इस फिल्म के साथ. इनकी टीम पवन, कार्तिक एंड राजा, ये मिलने में थोड़े लेट हो गए, अदरवाइज़ हम लोग जल्दी बोर्ड पे आते. और ये सूर्या जी की फिल्में हमने बहुत सारी सैटेलाइट, डिजिटल, हर जगह पर स्ट्रीमिंग करी है, ब्रॉडकास्टिंग करी है. इनकी फिल्में जो टीआरपी लाती है वो हमारे हिंदी के हीरो के बराबर लाती है.
The makers of Retro have been actively promoting the film across India. Surya and the team have participated in multi-city events to generate buzz. The film's promotional activities have contributed to significant pre-release hype. Pooja Hegde was seen promoting one of the songs of the film Kanima, making it go viral as well with over 40 million hits. Music director Santosh Narayan बहुत खुश हैं. The film has seen impressive advance booking numbers, indicating strong audience interest. देखते हैं रेट्रो और क्या गुल खिलाती है. Ajay Devgan, along with the team of his film Raid 2, promoted the movie in a unique way by participating in a special bell-ringing ceremony at the National Stock Exchange NSE in Mumbai. The event took place on the auspicious occasion of Akshaya Tritiya. Devgan, who reprises the role as the determined IRS officer Amay Patnaik in the sequel, was joined by director Rajkumar Gupta and producers Bhushan Kumar and Kumar Mangat Pathak. They were welcomed by Ashish Chauhan, the MD and CEO of NSE. Ajay said that he was a bit anxious and nervous as well.
More than excitement, it's a combination of excitement and I would say a little bit of anxiety. When the film releases, you want to know how the audience is reacting to it और कैसे उनको फिल्म लग रही है क्योंकि जब आप एक साल डेढ़ साल एक फिल्म के साथ गुजारते हैं और जब इट्स लाइक गोइंग फॉर एन एग्जाम जब रिजल्ट आता है तो जैसे बच्चे क्यूरियस होते हैं कि शायद हमने अच्छा किया अब रिजल्ट क्या है सो इट्स द सेम सिचुएशन विद अस.
Director Rajkumar Gupta explained the preliminary setup of both his Raid films. While the first one was an indoor drama, दूसरी film is based on an outdoor activity.
I think दोनों अलग फिल्म थी, ये अलग फिल्म है एंड अलग एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स अजय सर के अमय पटनायक सेम है पर एक नई कहानी है. वो रेड इनवर्ड थी, एक घर के अंदर थी, ये रेड आउटवर्ड है, घर के बाहर है. तो कहानी में डिफरेंस है दोनों फिल्मों की.
Producers Kumar Mangat और Bhushan Kumar भी बहुत खुश थे with how the films have transpired and hope to carry forward the raids ahead.
पिक्चर अब रिलीज होने के बाद हम लोगों को इतना अप्रिसिएशन मिला तो भूषण जी, मैं, अजय सर, हमने सब ने राजीव मिल के डिसाइड किया कि रेड 2 बनाते हैं और हमने इसमें कहानियाँ ढूंढनी शुरू की. इनकम टैक्स के ऑफिसरों से मिले, रेड डिपार्टमेंट के लोगों से जाके उनसे बात की तो जो एक्सपीरियंस सामने आए उन चीज़ों को जोड़ के हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है और बहुत अच्छी बनी है.
Experience is very good with Ajay sir always and Kumar ji was very confident about making Raid 2. जब Raid 1 बन रही थी उसी टाइम इन्होंने हमें बोला था कि Raid 2 की कहानी इन्होंने उसी टाइम डेवलप कर ली थी और इतने कॉन्फिडेंस थे कि अभी भी मुझे यही बोल रहे हैं कि अब Raid 3 अनाउंस करेंगे जल्द. तो आई होप ये पिक्चर सबको पसंद आए और सब इसको अपना प्यार दें.
Raid 2 has just released and let us see if Ajay Devgan as Amay Patnaik बॉक्स ऑफिस को रेड कर पाते हैं या नहीं. Sanjay Dutt and the team of the film The Bhootni have been actively promoting the recently released film. The movie, which Dutt Sahab himself has produced along with Soham Rockstar, has garnered attention for its funny punchlines and entertaining scenes. Sanjay Dutt recently held a special screening for underprivileged children. ये उनकी नेक सोच को दर्शाता है.
ये पिक्चर स्पेशली हम लोगों ने बच्चों के लिए और फैमिलीज के लिए बनाई है और मुझे उम्मीद है आप सबको पसंद आई पिक्चर. मजा आया, जोक्स अच्छे लगे. आप लोग बस यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि एंजॉय कीजिए पिक्चर अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ. पढ़ाई अच्छी तरह से करने का बोला ना.
The screening was also organized for patients battling cancer, and Sanju Baba openly shared his own experience as a survivor of the Big C. He conveyed that he was fighting his battle with the same strength as the characters fighting ghosts and witches in the Bhootni.
मैं भी एक कैंसर पेशेंट हूँ और एक चीज मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि इससे लड़ना बहुत जरूरी है और हम सब मिलके लड़ेंगे इसके साथ. और बस मैं भोलेनाथ का भक्त हूँ और भोलेनाथ हर हर महादेव.
उनकी ये बात सुनकर लोगों ने उनके हौसले की दाद दी. Meanwhile, Sunny Singh, Palak Tiwari, Asif Khan and Bionic also participated in the on-road launch event for the film's track Aaya Re Baba. Baba, a term of affection for Sanjay Dutt, is the highlight of a fun track that announces his character entry as a ghostbuster in this horror comedy. The team promoted the song in an open vehicle and even posed with individuals dressed as witches. ये देखकर ऑडियंस काफी उत्साहित हुई. Moni Roy, Sunny Singh, Palak Tiwari, Bionic and Asif Khan were also spotted in the Juhu area of Mumbai, enthusiastically promoting their film. They also interacted with their fans in the midst of media interviews. This marks a noteworthy instance where a horror comedy film is specifically targeting the younger demographic, acknowledging their fondness for this genre. Horror comedy films have generally performed well recently. Now all eyes are on whether the Bhutni can also achieve similar success at the box office. सबको उम्मीद है कि ये फिल्म भी कमाल करेगी. We hope that the filmmakers can also laugh their way to the bank now.
धन्यवाद और आप देखते रहिए सेलेब वॉच.